All right, folks. Two new features I want to show you tonight. I talked about them a little bit on Twitter, but they are ATC processor scheduler, which can be found under ATC processor. And also, something you won't see is we now have the ability to catch the countdown links from the early tweets and then put them in the ATC processor for you the day of or day before. Currently only works for Foot Action, Foot Locker, East Bay, and Nike. We'll add Champs after this weekend. So I'm going to do a demo of how it works. I do have to jump in the middle of catching the tweets and change some things since there are no real countdown links right now. So I have to fake it for link grabber purposes, but I'll make it work. So I need to tweet a link. So I'm going to tweet the Foot Locker link for this weekend, even though it won't work, just to show you how to auto add. Make sure I'm logged in first. Make sure I'm following test account. Start. Clear that. Okay. So let's catch a tweet. Oops. Let's just put keyword in. Well, it doesn't look like I caught it. So 1 second. To try that again. Add it. My own feature getting in the way. Let's clear our cache so we don't have any links found. Alright. So we're simulating that this was a countdown link, so I'm going to let that through. You'll notice that it just showed up in ATC processor here. So we'll be able to catch all the early links, at least most of them that matter, or countdown links rather. It could catch early links as well. Depends on if the countdown timer is already on. So feature number 2 is, that's step 1. We've got the link we want, and now step 2 is you don't necessarily want to be home when all this is happening. So in order to do that, all you have to do is set up your scheduler. So I'm going to set it up for just a moment. So we'll just do 8:34 and 30 seconds p.m. and we're going to stop after 20 minutes. So I'm just going to enable that. And that is on this day. So what should happen is we're pretending it's release morning. You have your time set. You're not home where you are. Your links have been caught from the earlier tweets, and then you're going to let scheduler take over. This stop after, there's different time intervals. You're going to have to play with that. I don't know what's best. One thing to note is when Nike tweets or add to carts are in the wait in line status, you will not be able to stop them, even if this stops it or if you stop it manually, because it's a separate process, and once you've gotten that far, you just have to wait.